In this video, I will show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and sign into your account. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap How People Find and Contact You. Then tap Who Can See Your Friends List. You'll now see several privacy options, including Public, Friends, Friends Accept, Specific Friends, Only Me, and Custom. To completely hide your friends list from everyone, select Only Me. You can also choose a different option based on your privacy preferences. Once you've selected your preferred audience, the change will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully hidden your friends list on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.